snake crossing the path. It is not a rattlesnake. I don't know what he is. Good morning. We are headed out. Once again, we're headed back to the mountains. Quick turnaround trip to come get the van. We got it all loaded, and got to do a Walmart pickup this morning. Get Sammy food. That's always the case. So we're gonna do that and then hit the road. Well, we stopped for a break and we've decided we're gonna go all the way in. I think we've decided we don't need a break, night over break, not over, sleep overnighter, going from home base to Eagle Nest and back. It's a long day, but it you get this close and you're like, well, if we can make it, we can just keep on going. It's 2 o'clock. So again, we'll get there after 6, probably 7. Is that right? 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll stop. We're gonna stop.
Head east on US 60 East.
We're gonna stop and eat.
Turn right onto US 54 East.
We're gonna stop and get something to eat, or fix us something to eat or something somewhere down the road. So need a little break again, but we're headed all the way, and that'll give Deborah a whole day tomorrow because on Thursday she works. So that'll give her a whole day tomorrow to rest up. So we're gonna push it today. Tonight is leftovers. We're having a cheeseburger, got a small little patty under there, some cheese, mushrooms, roasted bell pepper, tomatoes, homemade sprouts, little pickle, onion. Yeah, that's dinner. Alright, for breakfast this morning I have a little bit of, this is chopped up bacon and potatoes left over from yesterday morning. I'm going to add a little bit of these freeze-dried sausage crumbles, Ready Harvest. You can get these from my website. Down below I'll leave a link. I always have a link to the Thrivalist website, which Thrivalist is the main company. Ready Harvest is the freeze-dried foods. So, I just need a little bit more. So that's the beauty of freeze-dried. Just use what you want. No waste. I'm going to hydrate it for just a little bit before I start cooking. Alright, I got the water poured in there. Just going to let that hydrate a little bit. Refresh. While I grate my cheese because I don't have any grated. I need to grate this with my handy dandy little grater. Gotta drain the sausage crumbles. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in. The eggs. Let them be warming up, and then I'll add the potatoes. Alright, that's cooked. I think we're gonna have leftovers with this too. Good morning. So we made it back to Eagle Nest, and today is my first day of volunteering in the museum. So I got Sammy down here, Finn's here right now for a little while too, and got the doors open, waiting for people to come check out the visitor center. And I'm gonna, I've been kind of straighten up the office a little bit, and we have magazines and stuff that I need to stock and put out, and I'm gonna do that here in a minute. But we made it back, and it was a whirlwind of a trip, I tell you. Yeah, we meant to be gone 4 days, and we were gone, or 4 nights, something I don't remember. Anyway, we pushed it and we drove back through. So we only stayed 3 nights. That's right. So anyway, I am going to get my laptop. I don't know what footage I have and what footage I don't. Because it was such a whirlwind trip. So I am going to work on a video and see if I can't get it out today. Today's Friday. And anyway, we are back with our summer gig, and I am gonna work on a video. I haven't done a video in a few days because it's been a whirlwind. Yeah, I got my book to read. Still reading on it. I'm gonna do some of that today and work on a video. Look outside at the beautiful mountains. Yeah, it's so pretty here.